Welcome to all IIT JAM aspirants and JST aspirants, TIFR. Our target 2022 for best score and best rank in IIT JAM, TIFR, JST, CSIR, NET and GATE and others MSc entrance examination. Welcome to Future of Physics. Today's new topic, first lecture, solid state device and electronics. This is the best part for JEST entrance, GATE entrance, IIT JAM entrance, TIFR. Now today I will solve best few questions useful for especially JEST, GATE and IIT JAM. Now students, starts with first questions. Starts today's first questions. Is the off amp decision of amp circuit. Now circuit this to this. For an ideal off amp circuit given below, the DC gain and the cutoff frequency is the questions. We found the DC gain and the cutoff frequency. The C of Coulomb 1 by 2 pi and R 1 kilo ohm. Then DC gain is equals to solution DC gain is equals to 1 plus 10 by 1 is equals to 11. And cutoff frequency FH and cutoff frequency FH is equals to 1 by 2 pi RC. Now the 1 by 2 pi into R 1 kilo ohm and C 1 by 2 pi 1 kilohertz. This is the answer of cut-off frequency. This is the answer of cut-off frequency. Then the answer is 11 and 1 kilohertz. The answer is C is correct. Now the second question is the density of state of electrons, especially including spin degeneration. Including spin degeneration, the density of state of electrons in the band is given by option A, L by pi gamma sin Ka, option B, L by 2 pi gamma A sin Ka, option C, L by 2 pi gamma A cos Ka, option D, L by pi gamma A cos Ka. Now start solution. DE is equals to 2 into L by 2 pi. Now DE is equals to 2 into L by 2 pi into 1 by d by dk is equals to 2 into L by 2 pi into 2 into 1 divided by 2 a gamma sin k, and now 2 into L divided by 2 by gamma sin k. Now the answer is L by gamma a sin k. Now the answer A is correct. Now students, the third question is a simple cubic crystal. A simple cubic crystal with lattice parameter HC undergoes transition into a tetragonal structure with lattice parameter AT is equals to BT is equals to root over of 2AC and CT is equals to 2AC, root over of 2AC and CT is equals to 2AC below a certain temperature. The ratio of the interplanar spacing of 1, 0, 1 planes for the cubic and the tetragonal structure is option A root of 1 by C, option B 1 by 6, option C root over of 3 by 8, option D only for 3 by 8. Now the solution is for cubic lattice DC is equals to A by A square plus A square plus L square, then AC divided by of root 2 and now for cubic lattice DC is equals to AC divided by root 2 and for tetragonal lattice DT is equals to A by root over of H square plus K square divided by A square plus L square by C square is equals to 2AC divided by of root 3. Now the ratio of DC by dt. Now the ratio of DC by dt root over of 3 by 8. Root over of 3 by 8, option C is correct. Today's last question, number 4 question. The Dulong-Petit law. The Dulong-Petit law falls near room temperature 300 K for many light elements such as boron and beryllium because their deep while temperature is Dulong-Petit law fails near room temperature of 300 K for many light elements such as boron and beryllium because their dy temperature is double greater than of 300 K. Today's last question, number 5 question. The group velocity at the boundary of the fast reloading zone is. The group velocity at the boundary of the fast reloading zone is option A 0, option B 1, option C root over of A square by 2, option D half of root of A square by 2. Solution is at the fast reloading zone, at the fast reloading zone, the frequency is maximum, the frequency is maximum, the frequency is maximum, and the group velocity which is, and the group velocity which is, the derivative of the angular frequency is 0. The derivative of the angular frequency is 0.